The science of tea. Exploring the amazing health benefits of caffeine, polyphenols, and more. Tea is a complex mixture of chemicals, containing hundreds of different compounds. Some of the major chemical compounds present in tea include caffeine. This is a natural stimulant that is found in tea. It helps to increase alertness and reduce fatigue. Theanine. This is an amino acid that is unique to tea. It has been shown to have calming effects and can help to reduce stress and anxiety. Polyphenols. These are a group of antioxidants that are abundant in tea. The most common type of polyphenols in tea are catechins, which have been shown to have anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. Fluoride. This is a mineral that is found in tea. It helps to promote healthy teeth and bones. Vitamins and minerals. Tea contains small amounts of various vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin B2, magnesium, and potassium. Theaflavins and theorubicins. These are complex polyphenols that are formed during the fermentation process that black tea undergoes. They have been shown to have anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. Amino acids. Tea contains various amino acids, such as arginine, histidine, and tryptophan, which can have various health benefits including reducing stress, improving brain function, and aiding in the production of proteins. Methylxanthines. In addition to caffeine, tea also contains other methylxanthines, such as theobromine and theophylline. These compounds can help to improve heart health, reduce inflammation, and improve respiratory function. Carbohydrates. Tea contains small amounts of carbohydrates, such as glucose, fructose, and sucrose, which can provide a source of energy. Volatile compounds. Tea contains various volatile compounds that contribute to its aroma and flavor, such as terpenes, aldehydes, and ketones. Tannins. Tannins are a type of polyphenol that gives tea its bitter taste. They have been shown to have astringent properties, which can help to reduce inflammation and soothe the digestive system. Lignans. These are compounds that have been shown to have anti-cancer properties. They are present in higher amounts in green tea than in black tea. Saponines. These are compounds that have been shown to have cholesterol-lowering effects. They are present in small amounts in tea. Minerals. Tea contains various minerals, such as calcium, manganese, and zinc, which are important for maintaining bone health, immune function, and wound healing. Essential oils. Tea contains small amounts of essential oils, which give it its distinct aroma and flavor. The types and amounts of essential oils present in tea can vary depending on the variety and origin of the tea. Catechins. Catechins are a type of flavonoid that are present in high amounts in green tea and to a lesser extent in black and white teas. They have been shown to have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties and may help to reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease and some types of cancer. Vitamins. Tea contains small amounts of various vitamins, including vitamin B1, vitamin B6, folate, and vitamin E. These vitamins are important for maintaining a healthy nervous system, promoting cell growth and development, and protecting against oxidative stress. Alkaloids. Tea contains various alkaloids, including theobromine, theophylline, and caffeine. These compounds can help to improve cognitive function, boost energy levels, and stimulate the central nervous system. Gallic acid. Gallic acid is a type of phenolic acid that is found in tea. It has been shown to have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, and may help to reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer and cardiovascular disease. Aroma compounds. Tea contains various aroma compounds, which give it its unique flavor and aroma. These compounds include terpenes, aldehydes, and ketones. The specific chemical compounds present in tea can vary depending on factors such as the variety of tea, the location where it was grown, and how it was processed. Regardless of the specific compounds present, tea is generally considered to be a healthy beverage that can help to promote overall health and well-being.